June 2015, Statistics 1, the very first question is your correlation question. You've been given all the data, so you could tap it all into the calculator, but as they've actually given you the summary data here, it's probably best just to remember your formula in your formula book, that you've got that the correlation coefficient is Sxy, that's this one here, divided by the square root of the other two, Sxx times by Syy. Just tap that into your calculator. Gives you an answer of 0.497791, and you can round that to your normal three significant figures, 0. When it goes up to 498, doesn't it? 0.498. The interpretation in context is always here, but wasn't done very well in this paper apparently. But what we needed to say here, that number there is a moderate, that's the word they wanted, moderate positive correlation, 1 mark. And then you need to say between what and what, so between gas consumption and electricity consumption. There's a number of things on the examiner's report and the mark scheme that says you weren't allowed to write. So you weren't allowed to say between X and Y, clearly, because they're not in context. Between kilowatt hours, between consumptions, between gas and electricity were all not given the mark. So you're looking to just reread what it says up here. Between annual gas consumption and annual electricity consumption. Just copy what it says in the question for them. Here is the mark scheme there, the word being moderate. Here is the examiner's report giving us the whole list of all the words that we have to say, moderate for the 0.3 to 0.7. And finally, there's the scores that we got. See, most people getting the first part right and about 2/3 of marks in the second part.